Join me as I challenge myself to make $1,000 to $5,000 using AI chatbots, and I won't be using any coding skills. Making money through AI chatbots is a topic that's been gaining a lot of traction lately, and for good reason. The idea that you can leverage artificial intelligence to automate tasks and generate income without needing to know how to code is incredibly appealing. One common misconception about AI chatbots is that they're only for tech-savvy individuals or big corporations. Many people think that you need to have extensive knowledge of coding and programming languages to even get started. But the truth is, that's just not the case. Another misconception is that AI chatbots are only useful for customer service or simple tasks, and that they're not capable of generating significant income. Again, that's not entirely accurate. And finally, a lot of people are intimidated by the idea of getting started with AI chatbots because they think it's going to be too complicated or time-consuming. But the reality is, it's actually much simpler than you think. Another barrier people face when trying to leverage AI chatbots for income is the perceived high cost of getting started. Many people think that you need to invest thousands of dollars in software, training, and equipment to even get started. But that's not necessarily true. While it's true that some AI chatbot platforms can be expensive, there are also many affordable options available. And with the right strategies and mindset, you can start generating income with AI chatbots even on a limited budget. Despite these misconceptions and barriers, the potential for making money with AI chatbots is huge. The key is to understand how they work, and how to monetize them effectively. So let's dive in and explore the world of AI chatbots. AI chatbots are essentially computer programs that use artificial intelligence to simulate conversation with humans. They can be used to automate tasks, answer frequent questions, and even provide personalized support to customers. And the good news is, there are many platforms available that make it easy to create and deploy AI chatbots, even if you have no coding skills. Some popular platforms include ManyChat, Dialogflow, and MobileMonkey. Each platform has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the right one for you will depend on your specific needs and goals. One of the most effective ways to monetize AI chatbots is by offering services to businesses. For example, you could create a chatbot that helps businesses automate their customer service, and then offer to set it up and manage it for them. You could also create a chatbot that helps businesses generate leads, and then offer to use it to drive traffic to their websites. The possibilities are endless, and the demand is high. I want to share with you a success story of someone who made a substantial income using AI chatbots. This person created a chatbot that helped small businesses manage their social media presence, and then offered to set it up and manage it for them. They charged a monthly fee for the service, and were able to generate over $5,000 in monthly income. What's even more impressive is that they didn't need to know how to code, and they didn't need to invest a lot of money in software or equipment. The key to their success was identifying a specific need in the market, and then creating a chatbot that met that need. They also focused on providing exceptional customer service, and built strong relationships with their clients. And finally, they were willing to take action and put in the work necessary to make their business a success. In summary, making money with AI chatbots is definitely possible, even if you don't know how to code. It's all about understanding how they work, identifying opportunities to monetize them, and taking action to make it happen. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you have any thoughts or questions about AI chatbots, please leave them in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about making money online, be sure to check out my next video.